How to find Buffalo Wild Wings option on the Wings menu page. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, go to Buffalo Wild Wings website. Here, click on menu at the top. After you click on menu at the top, scroll down, you'll find all the category of the menu. Here, search for wings. You'll find wings in the first option. Click on wings. And you will find variations of wings. Simply click on view item in here. After you click on the view item section, you can view what includes, and after that, press on select a store and order. This is how to find Buffalo Wild Wings option on the Wings menu page. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.